what a great unit. This box came really pristine, really quickly, and there were some extra customs duties on it because, as you can see, it's coming from Kennesaw, North Indiana Parkway, Georgia. All the way from USA, right here in my home. I got the tools right here, and I'm going to be able to... AirClean420 matchbooks, some illuminated sliding magnifiers. We will be handing these off when we hit 100 subscribers.
Now we've got
on Instagram. Every time we get 100 subscribers, we'll be doing free giveaways. So this is a special giveaway from AirClean420 as a part of the testimonial partnership. This unit will promote maximum yield. It ensures quality, it optimizes production, there's no ozone, it's energy efficient, low maintenance, no emissions, and multiple air turns per hour.
It's actually really nice.
The AirClean420 has really cleaned our air.
Over here. So I will be going with the plant yo-yos.
Opening. This is a NASA non-chemical infestation solution for controlling fungal disease.
The unboxing, and this is the unit itself. Take this out. Oh, it's not that heavy.
There's all sorts of pictures and information that we'll be passing along to anyone who requires it.
This is a really nice unit. Just gonna...
Over here now we're going to do the opening, the unboxing.
It was really nice.
And this is the unit itself.
Really nice unit. It's got a power switch, a reset button.
And what we're going to do is...
Warning, if you spray any type of chemicals or cleaning agents in the room that contains the AirClean420, please turn off the Airo420 home units during this spray period as well. 1 hour after spraying is complete to allow for all residues to dissipate. So that's something you're going to want to keep in mind is do not let this thing get wet whatsoever. So it's recommended that it be hung from the ceiling or as close to the center of the room as possible. I'll do a quick blurb of it. This is a brand new unit of an AirClean420. It destroys airborne pathogens with breakthrough technology. I'm a really proud testimonial partner of Sterilumen once a week on how this the AirClean420 home model.
Oh yeah, I guess the matchsticks are, they include the matchsticks.
I'm getting ready to burn the house down.
Now I'm going to be relocating the cameras and the entire setup over to the grow tent